Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which Gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
GoldSilver.com is a trusted platform for investing in gold and silver, founded by renowned expert Mikey Maloney. Since 2005, it has also provided investors with secure opportunities to protect and grow their wealth through a precious metal. Today, we will explore how GoldSilver.com mission, products, service, and how it empowers investors with knowledge and security. GoldSilver.com provided a comprehensive range of services tailored and investor of all experience level. Gold and silver IRS secure your retirement with IRS approved precious metal. Direct precious metal purchases by high quality gold and silver coins and their bars. Educational resources, access expert insights, market updates, and investment guides. Secure vault storage, store your assets in fully insured and audited deposits. GoldSilver.com offers a diverse section of gold and silver products that meet our highest industry standards. Gold, American gold edges, Canadian gold maple leaves, and bars from the top mints. Silver, American silver edges, silver bulletins, and that one silver bars. IRA eligible metals. IRS approved bullion for the tax advantage and retirement in investing. Why the invest with GoldSilver.com? GoldSilver.com stand out its dedication to a financial security and investor success. Wealth protection, precious metal act as a safeguard against the inflation and economic uncertainty. Portfolio diversification, reduce risk by incompatible tangible assets. Global economic insight, expert perspective from the Mikey Maloney and his team. Tax benefit, precious metal IRS offer a tax deferred growth and a financial security. How to invest in GoldSilver.com and how it works. Select your metal, choose from a variety of trusted bullion products. Decide on storage or delivery. Securely store metal in audited vaults and you have to ship them. Set up IRA. Work with the top custodian to establish a self-directed precious metal IRA. Monitor and grow. Track your investment and adjust as they need it. GoldSilver.com assures a transparent pricing and secure storage option. Pricing and storage option. Competitive pricing, no hidden fees with a market and driven rate. Storage fees, affordable vault storage with insurance and audits. Flexible access, easily buy, sell or retrieve metals as they need it. With secure and installed storage, investors can confidently protect their wealth. Strength and advantages of GoldSilver.com. GoldSilver.com offers unmatched benefits for their investors. Expert leadership founded by an industry throughout leader Mikey Maloney. Educational excellence. Gain access in-depth financial guide and market insight. Diverse product selection. IRA approved, bullion and executive compatible offering. Secure transaction. Fully institute bolt storage and seamless buyback options. Customer reviews and their reputation. GoldSilver.com has earned a high praise from their thousands of satisfied investors. Trustpilot rated 4.15 for their excellent service and reliable transaction. BBB GoldSilver.com maintain a transparent approach to their clients' relations. Client testimonials. Many investors appreciate the seamless experience and educational resources. Compliance and security. GoldSilver.com operate with full compliance and assure your investments are protected. IRS approved metals, regulatory compliance, secure storage. IARS approved metals, eligible for tax advantages, retirement account, regulatory compliance, adhere to a strict IARS and financial regulations. Secure storage, parented with globally recognized board for the maximum security. Investing in goldsilver.com IRA comes with a strong tax benefit and flexibility. Tax-deferred growth. Traditional IRAs allow investment to grow up without intermediate taxation. Roth IRA advantages: withdraw tax-free and retirement. In kind of distribution, receive physical metals instead of cash and withdrawal. Final thought and call to action. Goldsilver.com provides a secure, educational, and comprehensive approach to precious metal and investing. Build long-term wealth, protect your financial future with gold and silver. Invest with confidence, backed by your expert knowledge and their strong reputation. Take control of your future. Start your journey with a precious metal today. Visit our goldsilver.com now to explore investment options. Request a free to a gold IRA kit and take the next step toward financial security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more insight investing in precious metal.